Hi, welcome to my English Learning Corner. Today we are looking at the appearance adjectives, how to use them, what they mean, and how they can benefit you when you are speaking English. So, first we are looking at adorable. Adorable is like saying something is very cute and cuddly. So, let's see. If I show you this, it's a little minion. And this is adorable because it's small and it's cute. Next, we have beautiful. Most people usually call women or people with feminine features beautiful. And they also describe buildings or surroundings in nature as beautiful. So if you look up at the sky and you see some stars and the moon or even some clouds, then you will describe this as beautiful because you feel like, wow, I haven't seen that before. Next, we have clean. Clean refers to everything is in its place and you don't have to worry about anything being dirty or laying around. So I think this house is clean because she just cleaned it. Then we have elegant. And elegant is the way someone carries themselves, how they move. And if someone is moving like a robot, then it's jagged like that. But elegant movement is almost like most people who dance. There's a flow to their movement, and you can see that they are moving in one motion. Then we have fancy. Fancy refers to something that is very formal and it is not common to see. And we also have glamorous, which adds to fancy. So, glamorous is when it looks very expensive or it has a very upper class type of look to it. Handsome is usually what you would characterize a male type of feature towards, and this will be more strong features that usually get the compliment of being handsome. We also have long. So, for example, I have long hair. We have magnificent. So, magnificent would refer to something that really makes your mouth fall open with how amazing it is. So if you see something that just makes you stop and just stare and just take in the amazingness that you see in front of you. And then we also have old fashioned. Old fashioned refers to something that used to be very cool or very trendy or very accepted by other people. But now, because time has passed, it is not cool or accepted or trendy anymore. So that's why it's old fashioned. So if we walk around with hair that has been permed or with blue eyeshadow or something like this, then it's considered old fashioned because it was in fashion during the 80s or 70s. I'm not even sure. Next, we have quantity adjectives. So, quantity refers to something you can measure or count. So, if I say this mug can take 500 milliliters of water, then 500 milliliters will be a quantity because I'm telling you how much can go inside it. So, empty would be, well, this is empty. There's nothing in it except for air. We also have few. So I have a few pens and a pencil. Few, you can count them easily. We also have full. So full is the opposite of empty. So if this had some water or tea in it and it came up to here, then it would be full. We also have heavy. So heavy is something that is difficult to pick up or carry. So if you try and pick up something and oh, it's so heavy. We also have many. Many refers to a group of things that is more difficult to count, but it is still countable in most cases. So if I say, how many pens do I have? Then you probably have to pause and count them. It's not easy to see how many here are. So these will be 3, but I mean, if I put them together, then how many are there? I don't know. Next, we have numerous. Numerous is a good description to use for stars or sand. So if you say, I can see numerous amounts of stars in the sky, or I can see a multitude of stars, it can also be, there are numerous places that I want to visit. So if you like traveling, you can say, there are numerous places I want to visit. For example, Greece, France, Italy, America, Britain, Australia, etc. So then you run out of space and you just tell them there might be more. I really hope that today's lesson on appearance adjectives and quantity adjectives have helped you a little bit. See you in the next one.